So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. And now this will show us all the applications that will start automatically when a computer turns on. If you don't want any of these applications to start automatically when your computer turns on, then you want to turn it off. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options. And now on the left hand side, you want to select choose what the power buttons do. And then select change settings that are currently unavailable. If it says for you right here, turn on fast startup, you want to tick the box. Tick the box where it says turn on fast startup and then click on save changes. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.